Next, sum number 7. Sum number 7. A 3-meter long wire is carrying current of 3 ampere. How long does it take, means time, for electron to drift from one end of the wire to other? So total distance it has to cover 3 meter. Area is 2.0 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter square. And number of conduction electron in copper is 8.5 into 10 raised to 20 per meter cube. So it is electron density. We want what is time. Current I is drift velocity v na into in. This is nothing but distance upon time into E and A. Therefore, time is distance into E and A upon I. Distance is 3 meter. E is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. N is 8.5 into 10 raised to 28. Area is 2 into 10 raised to minus 6. Current I is 3 ampere. So I can cancel this 3 equals to 1.6 into 8.5 into 2 is 17 into 10 raised to minus 19 minus 6 minus 25 and 28 will become 3. That is equals to, see, answer is, this is in second, answer is given in R. So this is 1.6 into 17 into 1000 divide by 3600, you will get in R. 1 2 zeros I can cancel, then 2 into 5 is 10, 2 into 18, 16 into 17 into 5 is, or 1.6 into 5 is 80, that is 8 into 17 upon 18. 2 into 4, 2 into 9. 17 into 4, 68 upon 9. 9 into 7, 63. Remainder 5, 50. 9 into 5, 45. 7.5 hours. Understood the sum again? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
See, because current was given, area given, and given, and time they wanted. So we all should keep in mind, every time speed has got one fixed formula, distance upon time, which can be modified in different form. Here it is I in Veena, but this fixed is distance upon time. Copy. This type can also come in the exam. Not difficult, but twisted. Can I clear it?
Yeah, sir.
Find out resistivity of conductor. Which alphabet we take for resistivity or specific resistance? Greek letter rho. So find specific resistance or resistivity in which current density, that means J, which is I upon area, is 2.5 ampere meter square. It is found when an electric field electric field is denoted by E of 15 volt per meter is applied. Current density is how much? E formula, this is important sum. E is voltage upon length from electrostatics. Voltage is IR from current upon L. R is rho L by area upon L. E is J into rho. Therefore, rho is E upon J. E is 15, J is 2.5. 2.5, J is 15 and E is 2.5. E is given 1.5, I think 1.5. 1.5. So 5 into 525, 5 into 3.6 ohm meter.
Done, sir.
Next term. Ninth. A very small current is sent through a wire of length 15 meter. L is 15 meter. Area 6 into 10 raised to minus 7 meters square. Its resistance is 5 ohm. Find the specific resistance of material at the temperature of experiment. Okay, rho. What will be the specific conductance? Conductance is reciprocal of resistance. R is rho L by area. Rho is R A by L. R 5, 6 into 10 raised to minus 7. L is 15. 15 meter long wire. 15 or 1.5, it is not visible here. 15. So 30 upon 15 into 10 raised to minus 7. 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 ohm meter. Specific conductance or also called as conductivity is 1 upon rho. 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. 0.5 into 10 raised to plus 7. 5 into 10 raised to 6. Reciprocal of ohm meter, so ohm meter raised to minus 1. This is how it will be asked in the example. Calculation wise easy, but understanding wise conceptually is strong. Right, 9th. कल जाके लेता हूँ, अभी लेट हो गया ना, 4 बजे बंद हो जाता है उनका। एड्रेस मालूम नहीं मेरे को, तो वो लगा आपको मालूम है, उन्होंने मुझे बोला आप जाके ले लो सर। तो मैं आज पूछ लेता हूँ, मैं कल मैसेज किया तो उन्होंने बोला सर आप आके लेके जाओ, वहाँ पे कोई तो रहेगा, मैं नहीं हूँ ऐसा बोला उसने। तो एड्रेस नहीं पता है आपको उसका? तो मैं पूछता हूँ कि कहाँ पे आना है, बोल पूछ लेता हूँ। लेकिन कल संतोष अगर मैं आया ना तो मैं आऊँगा 7 से कंटिन्यूस लेक्चर है यार, 12 से 2, 1:30 बजे शार्प आऊँगा और तुरंत लेके फिर मैं निकल जाऊँगा। नहीं मैं साथ में अपन चलेंगे ना, तो एड्रेस पूछ लेता हूँ, तो फिर आप एड्रेस आपको बोल दूंगा, तो आपको जैसा रहेगा वैसा करते हैं। ठीक, हाँ फिर कैश भेजता हूँ, कुछ 12 बोले उन्होंने, और सब चेंज किया ना बुक को, बेटा बेटा सब, लेकिन कि अपने को जरूरी है वो पेपर करेक्शन के लिए, सर को दे दूंगा मैं। हाँ मैं आपको फोन करता हूँ बाद में। हेलो डन। Sum number 10. What length of wire? Length of wire is L, whose diameter Now you are comfortable with the numericals?
Decently.
No, it should be perfect, don't worry. And specific resistance rho 15 to 10 raised to minus 6 ohm meter. See, all fear should be removed. You should have confidence. Okay, numerical, so at least I will be able to do. And then theory, when you revise. Numerical advantages, once you do, you remember. Theory you have to do again and again. What length of wire of diameter 0.6, specific resistance this many ohm, centimeter, will be required to prepare a coil of resistance 10 ohm. What is formula for R? Is it rho L by area? Area means pi R square. So length will be R pi R square upon rho. R is 10 ohm, pi is 3.14, radius is half of diameter. So it will be 0.46 millimeter to meter, 10 raised to minus 3 upon 2 square of this. Upon rho 50 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm centimeter, convert into meter, minus 2. That is equals to 0, 0 can cancel. 2 into 0.23 here inside. So it is 3.14 into 0.3 square into 10 raised to minus 6 upon 5 into 10 raised to minus 6, 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 6 cancel. 3.14 into 0.23, 0.23 upon 5, 10 raised to minus 2 goes up, 10 raised to plus 2. Please copy this much. 3.14, 23 square is 529 after 4-digit decimal. So minus 4 into 10 raised to plus 2 upon 5. This one in meter. So 3.14 into 529 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to 2 in centimeter upon 5. This will get cancelled. 1.5, 0.56 are 30, remainder 1, 30, 1 is not divisible, 0, 5 3s are 15, 30, so very one 14, 5 into 2 is 10, 5 is 14 into 529, 0.628, 628. So this is when you multiply, it will come 332.212. That we can write 332 centimeters. Yes, done.
Yeah.
Okay. Sum number 11. The specific resistance of nichrome denoted by rho is 100 micro ohms centimeter. That means 100 into 10 raised to minus 6 ohm centimeter, which you can convert into meter as 10 raised to minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, ohm meter. Conversion clear? Micro I remove, so 10 raised to minus 6, centimeter to meter 10 raised to minus 2. So 10 raised to minus 6 minus plus 2 minus 6 minus 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. What is the resistance R of a wire whose length is 5 meter and area is 0.01 centimeter square? So 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. R is rho L by area. Rho is 10 raised to minus 6, length is 5, area 10 raised to minus 4. 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus 4. So this will get cancelled. 5 ohm is the answer. This is how it will be asked in the exam. 5 ohms. This also I can clear. Can I go to 12th one? Yes, Aditya, 12th.
Yeah, done, sir.
Okay, 12th. Whenever you feel like stopping, tell me. Huh? A piece of copper of mass 50 gram, mass is 50 gram, is drawn into wire of length 50 meter. Drawn means it is made in the form of wire 10 meter, 50 meter long. Find the resistance of the wire if density, I'm writing as D, specific resistance rho are 8.9 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Density specific resistance 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 ohm meter. Mass given, length given, density given. From density, can you get volume? Density is mass upon volume. Correct? Hello?
Yeah, sir.
Volume, can you say area of the base into length? This is wire of area A, length L. Then A into L is volume. So wherever you want area, you can write M upon rho L. Now R formula is rho L upon area. So R will become rho L upon, this is, I'm writing D because rho I have taken for specific resistance, D. M upon DL. So this will become rho d L square upon M. Please copy till this. Resistance rho d L square upon M. 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 Rho is 1.7 into 10 raised to minus 8 and d is 8.9 into 10 raised to 3. Length is 50 meters, so 50 square. Mass 50 gram, 50 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. 1.7 into 8.9 into 10 raised to minus 5, 50 into 50 upon 50 into 10 raised to minus 3, 50, 50 cancel. This equals to 1.7 into 50, 5 into 7, 35, 85 into 8.9 into 10 raised to minus 2. So it is 0.85 into 8.9, approximately you can take 9. So 9 into 5, 45, carry 4, 9 8 are 72 and 4, 76, 7.65 ohm. 7.65 ohms. Done?
Yeah.
So that's all for today. Sunday's test, please write properly. We'll meet Wednesday with that planner. We'll stick to it. And just execute the plan. Go on studying as I say. Don't be bothered about anything else. 90 and above guaranteedly you will get if you follow that sequence.